আজকে লীলাস ফ্রেন্ড গল্পটা থেকে প্রায় যতগুলো এমসিকিউ হতে পারে সবকটা নিয়েই আলোচনা করব। গল্পটা অনেকটাই বড়, আশা করছি এমসিকিউ দিয়ে শুরু করলে ব্যাপারটা সহজ হয়ে যাবে। যারা বুঝেছে তাদের জন্য আরও সহজ হয়ে যাবে, যারা বুঝতে পারেনি তাদের জন্যও সহজ হয়ে যাবে। তো যাই হোক, শুরু করছি। লীলাস ফ্রেন্ড ইজ রিটেন বাই R.K. Narayan. Leela's box was full of catalogs, illustrated books and stumps of pencils. Siddha was a servant of Leela's house. Before taking a decision to appoint Siddha, Mr. Shivshankar called his wife. Mr. Shivshankar at first glance liked Siddha as he looked tidy. Before getting the job in Mr. Shivshankar's house, Siddha worked in a doctor's house. He lives near the market. Here he refers to Siddha. Siddha was sent away from the doctor's house because the doctor left the town. Leela was 5 years old. Siddha got as wages 4 rupees a month. Which of the following works Siddha was not allowed to do? Cooking. Let us keep him in our house. The speaker is Leela. Now this has touched the moon. Here this refers to the red ball. Leela keenly examined the ball for traces of the moon. Siddha told Leela that she could touch the moon if she stood on the top of a coconut tree. Siddha knows the moon. Leela clapped her hands and screamed in wonder when she found the moon sticking to the ball. Leela offered Siddha her catalogue to copy her writings and pictures. While teaching, Leela found that Siddha was very dull. She pitied him because Siddha could not copy what she wrote. Leela knew 2 or 3 letters. Leela was put to sleep by Siddha's story. Leela's mother noticed the gold chain missing from Leela's neck when she came back from market. Where is your chain? The question is asked by Leela's mother. Her mother gave her a slap because Leela lost her gold chain. His throat went dry. This is because Leela's mother asked Siddha about the gold chain. Siddha vanished into the night because Leela's mother took him for a thief. Why are you so rough? Here you refers to Leela's mother. The thought of Siddha made her panicky. She was in panic as she thought that Siddha might steal all her belongings. Can't you tell the story of the elephant? Here you refers to Leela's mother. Leela lost her gold chain. In Shivshankar's house, Siddha slept outside the house. Siddha was accused of stealing jewelry from children. The inspector was furious because Mr. Shivshankar did not consult him before employing Siddha. The police inspector came to Mr. Shivshankar's house with the constable and Siddha. Don't go near him. This was said to Leela, the police inspector. What a devil you must be to steal a thing from such an innocent child. This was spoken by the police inspector. She clung to Siddha's hand when the constable took Siddha back to the police station. The gold chain was ultimately discovered inside a tamarind pot. The gold chain was dropped in the tamarind pot by Leela. The gold chain was ultimately found by Leela's mother. And all his bother on account of her. Here bother means harassment. I will tell the inspector tomorrow. The speaker decided to tell the inspector Siddha was not a thief. Siddha had been in jail for several times. Mr. Shivshankar finally dismissed Siddha. Siddha was hired because Leela decided he had to stay. The relationship that Leela and Siddha enjoyed was one of friendship and trust. Siddha was taken to the police station because the police assumed Siddha stole the chain. Leela's mother was unable to tell her a story when requested because her mind was preoccupied with thoughts of Siddha. Mr. Shivshankar first met Siddha at the gate in front of his house. When Leela's mother asked Siddha about the chain, his reaction was that এখানে চারটে অপশন ওঠেনি, কেটে গেছে। অ্যান্সারটা হবে হি blinked and said that he did not know. He blinked and said that he did not know. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ হচ্ছে 51টা এমসিকিউ। আশা করছি এতে তোমাদের অনেকটাই ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে, স্টোরিটা সম্পর্কে ধারণা হবে। এরপর আমি এসএকিউ আর লং কোশ্চেন নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। সো আজকের ভিডিওটা যদি ভালো লাগে একটা লাইক করো, আর পরের ভিডিওগুলো পাওয়ার জন্য অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। আর এর আগে আমি কর্তারভূত থেকে এমসিকিউ আলোচনা করেছি, সেই ভিডিওর লিঙ্কও আছে। আর তোমাদের যদি এখানে বুঝতে অসুবিধা হয় আমি পিডিএফ দিয়ে দিচ্ছি, যদিও এখানে একটু অস্পষ্ট আছে, তাই আমি চেষ্টা করলাম তোমাদেরকে সবটা পড়ে দেওয়ার। এরপরেও যদি কোনো অসুবিধা হয় অবশ্যই কমেন্ট বক্সে কমেন্ট করবে। আর আজকের ভিডিও এটুকুই, দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। সবাই ভালো থেকো, আর চ্যানেলটাকে প্লিজ 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 সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রেখো, যাতে সবার আগে তুমি নোটিফিকেশান পেতে পারো।